Good morning, Bring a Trailer enthusiasts. Justin here from the Avant-Garde collection. I'm out doing some videos in our 1991 964 Safari. As I mentioned, this is an all-wheel drive or C4 version, and it's a really interesting build. We do a lot of these Safaris, but never have I had one done on a 964, and it's my opinion that 964 is the coolest of the air-cooleds. I think that I'm not alone in thinking that. I know the 993s can be a little more refined, but if you're really looking for that Porsche look, this is where you go, and that's why Singer goes there. Really a neat build. I think I would call this rally-inspired, backdated Safari. The ducktail, the Pasha. There's some touches that really make us think of a vintage car that never was, and that's really cool. The rally-inspired steering wheel, the chronos, even the shifter. If you look, this is a G50 transmission in this car, but they elected to put a more vintage-looking shift linkage or shift stem in the car, and it's a little higher and a little better for off-road or rallying. Just all kinds of those little touches really impressed me about this car. The build quality is superb. The car drives amazingly. I was just here running over potholes and railroad tracks and different things, and it just sucks up the bumps so well, and just has such a great look. So this car is black. This is the wrap that you see. This gold is the wrap, so those scallops could come off and you could do whatever you wanted. Paint quality is excellent in the car. But yeah, just a great car. God, and the interior of that Pasha, it even looks a little aged. It's a little, the leather is not brand new. It just, the whole car just kind of really feels like it was just vintage. So I love it. I'm going to drive it some more, and if I notice anything else cool, I'll report back. But if you have any questions or want specific pictures posted, I'm happy to do that, and just ask questions in the comments and we'll get to them as fast as we can. Thanks, guys.